Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for stopping by. If you're new, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn the notification bell on so that every time I post, you'll be notified. Let's get straight into the video. This is how you get a Telfar bag. Well, this is how I do it. Enjoy. Here is step one. So, waiting for it to drop. This is how I have the panels open. I'm not playing. It is 11:56. I hope I could get one. This is the restock, y'all. So, alright, so I'm ready for the job. This is how I have them there on the panels. I'll try to get each one I'm trying to get on each panel. I have my account logged in already. I'm gonna be trying to get it on my phone as well. And it is 11:56. And I have my cards lined up too. I already am in my account, so I could easily just select my addresses. So we're gonna do pay now. The order's being processed. There we go. So I was able to get these 4 ones. I got that one, and I was able to get the black one. Oh, we don't need the order number in there, so I was able to get 4 black. There we go. So, yes.
Like helped me like learn from their mine, and I only had this substance. I didn't have my full bill supply yet.
It's in the wallet.
Oh my god. I'm gonna tell you what it's called. What is it? It's called colostrum. Yeah. That's the thing, a little thicker substance.
Nice.
That's what comes out first, and then your milk.
Hi guys, mommy, show me. You see? Told you.
I'm here, my beautiful wife.
I got mine. It's 12:05 and it's sold out already. Crazy. Oh gosh, my love. Oh my god, I'm so in love. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give my video a fat thumbs up. See you in the next vlog. Bye.